Here we are in the auditorium of the TRON THEATR in Glasgow, and this is Francois Pandolfo, one of our actors. Say hi, Francois.
Hi, Francois.
Hi. So we just wanted to ask you a little bit about your character in the play. So tell us who you play to start with.
So I play Jackie, or Jackito, and he is, well, we open the show, and he is somebody who has just come out of jail. We say jail. Do they say jail?
Prison?
Prison.
Yeah.
Prison. He's come out of prison. And he's on parole, trying to turn his life around. He's been in and out of prison since he was very young, just because of his situation, his surroundings, his upbringing. And it feels like this time, when the show opens, this time is different. He's ready to turn his life around, mainly because he's now part of the AA program, which he hasn't been before, because he now has a sponsor called Ralph, who is really helping him turn his life around. So when we open the show, everything is looking pretty good. And then something happens from the onset that changes the course of his life over a period of 4 or 5 days. But you'll have to watch it to find out what that thing is.
That's great. So as an actor, starting off on a real high and then having that switch, that turnaround, how is that for you, and how has that been in the process, finding that, I guess, that movement within your character?
Yeah, it's been interesting as an actor, because normally you get the chance to build. So it starts like kind of down there, and you build the tension, and then there's like explosions and whatnot, and high energy. Whereas with this, it feels like it starts from the word go. It starts with a bang. So it's quite. It's funny because we've really been exploring. Well, where'd you go with that? If you start on such an excited level, whether that's something negative or positive in terms of where the character is, where do you go? And so that's kind of what we've been exploring with this character, is where is there to go? Because if you've started up, then I guess there's only sideways to go, without sounding too, But I feel like he is very much a character that does that. He's a bit of a crab in that way. He sidesteps everything, and he's very tactical, but not in a kind of manipulative way. I think he's essentially too good a person to be manipulative. I think he just tries to find different ways to survive, essentially. And I think it just gets him into a lot of trouble.